Hello, good people. Bruce Raisch here with another COVID prevention safety tip. This one is cleaning surfaces in the household. Well, not surfaces, but control knobs, doorknobs, that kind of stuff, right? Everybody's worried about this, that door. Everybody's hands on this doorknob, that doorknob. Wait a minute, do you pull the chair out for anybody? Not all lights are activated by a switch on the wall. Oh my goodness, your computer keyboard, the mouse, the volume control, oops, the printer, and lo and behold, it goes on. Yes, we do have a light switch. And oh, everybody's favorite, your phone. Tests have shown this lots of times to be dirtier than your bathroom sink when it comes to germ tests. Most of us never think about it, but we do pass it around, lend it out. Hey, look at my picture. Oh, come on, you give it to somebody else to take your picture. How many hands touch this? Oh yes, and another favorite, the TV remote control. Don't take it from Dad. Anyway, down the line, you got the icebox. Not everything's your normal handle. And then, of course, the kitchen sink, the dishwasher, the microwave, the coffee maker, the knobs on the stove. The list just goes on. Oh, gee, you have handles on your cabinets. The big point in here is don't let it break you down. Don't let it overwhelm you. Just take a couple at a time. And what you learn from this is this should just be regular maintenance anyway. Not only is this good for fighting COVID, it'll help you fight the common cold in your family, the flu, any contagion, period. When it comes to these things, especially our own cell phones, this is just a great reminder that there are some things that we don't do often enough. And again, there's all sorts of things you can use for these. Well, don't run this through the dishwasher, but some things you can put in the dishwasher. You can take the knobs off and wash them in your sink. You can use soap on some items. You have all sorts of cleansers for others that have disinfectant in them. And again, back to alcohol. Again, it's a drying agent. Watch how and where you use it. And after you clean something like this, you gotta clean your hands again. But in the meantime, you don't need to do this just because of COVID. You do this just because of your own health. Pretty good reason. Well, you all take care till next time. Thanks.